This video was first uploaded on VidMe in 2017.
Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at the T-2020A portable mini speaker. If you have any questions throughout this whole video, you can leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll be trying to go over some very basics of this speaker. It's a cheap speaker, so don't expect much, so let's get right into it. So the portable mini speaker here I got at a swap meet near my house for around $12, if I remember right. The guy had a lot of them for sale. Some packaging, as you see on screen, it comes in a little box, nothing too great, nothing too pizzazzy, but it gets the job done in a cardboard box. As you see on screen, I have two models. One thing I want to tell you guys is that one model does have Bluetooth and the other one does not. I believe the T-2020 does not have Bluetooth, but the T-2020A is Bluetooth compatible. Although from my personal experience, the Bluetooth one tended to have worse audio quality in the lower ranges, while the non-Bluetooth device, the red one, which is only an aux cord only, tended to sound better overall at higher and lower ranges. With both Bluetooth devices, you get an aux cord, you get a mic, you get a USB port, you get what looks like to be an SD card port if you want to put in music that way. Let's say record a couple tracks and just pop it in your SD card and you'll be able to play them from there. Power button is on the bottom. You'll get a blue LED light notification from the bottom of the device. It'll go blue just like I showed you on the video. The red one, as I just crossed my fingers over, did not have Bluetooth, and this is the one that has the Bluetooth enabled. The buttons are pretty simple. Has a play button with the little phone over it, the next track button, the previous track button, and it has mode. Mode basically is if you want to switch from radio, or you want to switch to the SD card, or you want to switch to your phone's aux cord, or to your phone's Bluetooth capability, which lets you listen to your own music. It does have a radio. I tried it. What can I say? It's a basic radio. Don't think much of it. I'm going to play an audio sample for you guys in a couple seconds coming up. And I'll let you guys be the judge of how loud it is. I did have it not at the max setting though. The max setting distorted the audio too much. I did have it at the middle setting, so not too high, not too low, just in the middle, so 50% setting. I did manage to test this out at full blast with a decibel meter on my friend's phone, and it was around 87 decibels around there. I'm not exactly into that whole decibel thing, but it was around 80, 87, 89 dBs. That's how loud it got. But for $12, it'll get you through the day, I guess. My complaint mainly has to be sound quality, most over on the Bluetooth speaker, especially the Bluetooth speaker, the wired one, the one that uses the aux cord. The red one, as I have on video, did a lot better job of that. Another issue you might encounter is battery life. These things don't last very long. The most I managed to get mine to was around 2 hours and 30 minutes around there. It's not going to last you that long, so bring a power brick with you to charge it as well, USB powered brick, in order to give it a little bit more juice, or save up your money and buy something else. But overall, I think it's a nice little standy device. The build quality is kind of shoddy, but what do you expect for something that's like 12 bucks? Overall, would I recommend it if you need something on the go, small, portable? Yeah, I think I would. Just don't expect it to be the best. If you're worried about how loud it can get, it gets pretty loud, trust me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this review of the portable mini speaker T-2020A. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on my VidMe channel. They're pretty good stuff, and hopefully you'll enjoy them too. Thanks for listening in, guys.